So these are some of the photo requirements for the visa lottery. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you how to make the passport picture meet these requirements before you upload on the visa lottery site. So as you can see, submitting a digital photograph. So the photograph must actually go according to this following format, that is in the JPEG, and also equal to this 240 or less kilobytes, and also 600 by 600 pixels in dimension. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to actually do a photograph which is like that on your own without going to pay anywhere for any passport picture, and you upload for this on the site.
So you head over to your Android phone, and after taking a picture like this is all you need. Yes, you take a very clear and a nice picture like this. So after taking a picture, you remove the background this way. You remove the background. You use any of those websites or any app to remove the background, and you head over to Pixlab. If you don't have it, you can download it from Google Play Store. So you head over to Pixlab. So from Pixlab, you change the size of the image here to the required dimension, that is 600 by 600, and then you click on OK. So you press the plus sign, and then you add the image which you've removed the background. So we add this image. You can see the background has been removed. So all you need to do is just add this image, and then you need to make sure that your face covers more than 50% of the picture. Yes, covers more than 50% of the picture. So this is okay. So this is the most important part. When saving this, you make sure the format is in the JPEG, and then also the dimension here should be custom. The dimension should be custom, and then you press save to gallery. So let's go back to our gallery and check if this meets the required. So you can see the dimension over there, 600 by 600, and then you can see 97 kilobytes. This is lesser than the required kilobytes needed. Let's check on other pics and see whether they meet the requirement. So you can see this is 1280, even though it is the same size, but it is different from the one I just showed you how to do. So something like this would be okay. So let's upload this on the confirmation site and check whether it will be accepted or not. So let's go back to my laptop, and then I'll show you which site to upload this picture to confirm whether it is suitable for the visa lottery form submission.
So you head over to Google Chrome, and then you search visa lottery photo checker. So when you search this, you click on the first site. So this is what appears on the first site, and you can see here this is a free tool that verifies your photo meets all green check lottery photo requirements. So you click on upload photo. So you would have to select the photo you saved from the pixel lab that you've edited. Yes, so you upload the photo there. I need to check it for you whether, so you can see that everything has been ticked green. Yes, everything has been ticked green, so meaning this picture is suitable for the visa lottery digital photo, passport photo. Yes, so this is how you check it. Let's try uploading a different image and see how the results will yield. So the dimension of this is 1242, unlike this which is 600 by 600. So let's upload this and see what will happen. So you can see the image width or height is greater than the allowed pixels, so this is not accepted. hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, don't forget to drop a like and also subscribe to this channel for more similar content. If there is any question, you can use the comment section and drop all your questions. I'll be very available to answer all of them one by one. Thank you so much for your time. Catch you up in my next upload.